Hey y'all, and welcome back to the party. It's your girl Britt Reacts, and today we are reacting to Raining Sorrow performs Raindrop live on the Wish USA bus. Let's see what they have to say. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this bus. I'm obsessed with this bus.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish 1075.
Feels like I can't take no more. The curtains I have shut and closed, 'cause I don't seem to let that happy light. They all say that they're gonna stay, but I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have a loved it, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Her voice. I have no idea who this is. She seems to be quite young. And I love the uniqueness of her voice, but what I'm about to say has nothing to do with her singing because I want to hear more before I can react to it. What I want to say about this bus, which I did not know this was a bus until a recent, I think, more set video. I said something about someone commented that this was a bus and it blew my mind. But I love the stillness of the moment of the artists in this room. And they're singing, and it's such a moment, and the world is just going behind them. Like, there's something about that to me that is so magical that we can experience this moment that is so sweet and nice and full of talent, and you know, you get to witness someone singing so greatly, and the world's just happening behind them. I don't know why that touches me in a certain way. It really touches my heart. I don't know. Help me in the comments. Do you feel that way? Do you even notice what's going on outside? Is it just me? All right, now let's get back into this performance because this voice is sensational. And also, I'm now realizing Raining Sorrow is not people. It's one person. It's just her. So her voice is outstanding.
Feels like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out. The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and it don't seem that I really wanna shout.
I love that.
Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
Wish-clusive.
I'm deep
On Wish
inside me,
107.5.
and now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Wow. I'm making sure it's over because...
Hey Wishers, this is RS. For more Wish-clusive videos, click here,
Click here.
click here,
Click here.
click here,
Click here.
click here, click here, click here,
Click here.
click here, click here, click here, click here,
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
click here to subscribe.
Aw. That was cool to see. I'm just so intrigued by this bus, you guys. It is so intriguing to me to see that they do so many artists. And that seemed like that was in the States. Am I wrong? I don't know why I just assumed this bus was somewhere else. This happens in the States? It almost felt like LA. I saw Hamilton. Okay, off topic. So her name is Aris, because it sounded like she just said, this is Aris at the end when they did that little clip. Something about this also reminds me of Tiny Desk, like the rawness, the uncut style of this feels like the Tiny Desk series, and I love it. Now on to her voice. There was general like sadness, sorrow, not general, genuine, I'm sorry, genuine sorrow in her voice. I don't know what's going on, guys. Y'all saw me sneeze. I apologize about that. And now all of a sudden I'm like congested. I apologize. But yeah, there was this like really sad like feeling to her voice, almost like the sad lyrics came through in her voice. Like she was really able to sing that song in the words perfectly. The tone of her voice was so cool. Like she just had such a cool, quirky, unique tone. I really, really, really enjoyed that. Not familiar with the song that she sang at all. Not sure how it sounds originally, but she absolutely sounded unique to me. And I liked it. I really, really, really liked it, you guys. All right, I'm sorry for sneezing. I'm sorry for being in awe of this bus, because it really does. Like, I love this concept, and whoever came up with it is genius. She is phenomenal. Let me know what else I should listen to of hers, because I really like the sound of her voice. All right, people, go have the day you deserve. Peace.